Okay, welcome back everyone. So let's look at another case, right? You might be thinking, when are we going to done with these cases, right? Okay, it will be over soon. All right. Now here we have differential equations. We have a complicated right hand side. Okay, now how are we going to deal with that? Let me show you. Okay, so first of all, we use the auxiliary equation and we get m square minus 9m plus 14, and then we factorize it and we get root 7 and 2. So our fundamental set of solution is e to the 7x, e to the 2x. All right, we want to do that because we are not sure whether we have overlaps or not. Now let's look at the gx. 3x square minus 5 sine 2x plus 8x e to the cx. Wow, too complicated, right? But how are we going to do this? The idea is called superposition. That means you have the summation of three different type of functions here, right? One is a quadratic function, one is a trigonometric function, other is a linear function times exponential. The way you are going to handle this is too much for our brain. So let's do it piece by piece. Okay, what do you mean piece by piece? Well, let's first handle the 3x square part. So my first guess will be 3x square part. It's a quadratic function, so I can write ax square plus bx plus c. Now that's done. Now go to the second part. It's a trigonometric part. How do you write? D sine 2x plus e cosine 2x. Okay, then you go to the exponential part. A linear function times the exponential part. So that we can write, what is the next letter? I'm forgetting the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So fx plus E, F, G, right? Yeah, fx plus g times e to the 6x. Okay. So a linear times the exponential. So that is what we call superposition. So we actually write the particular solution guesses of these three functions separately. Okay, then we add them together. Okay, so that is exactly what I did here because they are separated by addition and subtraction. Okay, now we have to check for overlap. So e to the 7x, do we have e to the 7x? No. E to the 2x, do we have e to the 2x? No. So this is my initial guess and the initial guess is correct because no overlap. That's it. Done. So let's do some other ones. Another example. Okay, well, yeah, that is the example I have. Yeah, the superposition, you will see more examples in the next video. So that is how we handle the superposition. So you do part by part. But okay, wait a minute, let's do a quick example. Okay, let's say you had e to the 6x here instead of e to the 2x, e to the 6x. Now we have an overlap. What do we do? Do we multiply the whole initial guess by x or just this part? That's a question for you. Just this part, right? Remember, we do the multiplication of x just for the offended party, okay? Not for the whole thing, okay? So here's the part you only have the overlap, so just multiply this by x, another x, fx square plus gx, okay? All right, that is how we handle this by superposition. Thank you.